channel. My name's Hadley. I'm a singer that's toured the world, and now you're coming with me. You don't need a passport. Let's travel the world. Hey, this is part 2 of a trip I took into the Amazon and to Iquitos just before COVID. If you missed the first video, I'll link it in the description below. This is a venture I took into the rainforest with 20 other people from around the world. Today we're picking up, just as we take off from our camp, about an hour boat ride down the Amazon basin. Absolutely gorgeous. We're heading into a village. We'll walk through the village and then into the jungle to meet the Murui tribe. Side note, I filmed this before I thought about sharing it with anybody. So the footage will appear as if you're walking with me, i.e. backs of heads. It's the Amazon, I'd rather show you than not, but it is absolutely one of my favorite trips. I would hate not to share it. So I will create the commentary so you can follow along. Just bear with me on some of the footage. But it's such a special trip. I really want you to be able to experience a part of it with me as well. So let's check it out.